In the previous video, we showed you how to set up the system so that you have the laptop and the TV, and you should have the same picture on both. The PC is producing a picture that's being shown on the TV. We have the TV there so it's large and we can have a bingo game that people can see clearly. Now, to get this thing going, it has to do a few setup things. What we want to do is use your two fingers, put one on the Windows key, then the one on R. And you see what pops up on both screens is actually a website where the bingo game exists. So hit return, and that'll fire up the web browser. And we go to the bingo game. Now, as you can see, somebody was using it before, so we want to clear that up. Now we use the mouse, we do the left clicking, and there's a couple of things we want to do. Up in the corner there, where the mouse is, that's settings. There's a lot of things you can do in there to do the settings. One of the game settings that you want to do is to choose a pattern. You saw the pattern on the screen there. Now to get rid of the pattern, you can choose a pattern. You can click that, gets rid of it. And there's lots of patterns here you can do. You can do custom even if you want. You can select your pattern that you want. If you don't like that, clear it out again. And let's select one. There's a whole bunch here, as you can see. Here's the airplane. Okay? Now the other thing that you have to do, which I recommend, is the layout options down here. Click on display full screen. That way you can see everything. Okay? Now we go over here to the main screen. Click on that. Now, we've got the new pattern for the game, but we've still got all this old stuff from before. So let's reset the board. Click on Reset Board, and then you confirm that, and it clears it out. So now you're able to start. So you should see on the PC and the TV the same thing. So to get the game moving, is you click on Start Game, and the first number pops up, as you can see here. That's I-27, and it's duplicated down here. Okay. Now let's get the next number for the game. It's B2, as you can see. So up in the left-hand corner, it says there's been total calls of 2, and the previous call was 27. Of course, that means I-27. And you keep going, and you get a history down at the bottom there of what's going on. And you continue. So here's call number 6, and the previous call was B6, etc., etc. Okay, so when somebody calls bingo, you can check the numbers against the board here, and you have a winner. So then, to get a new game, you just do what we did before, reset the board, confirm, and go down here and use the mouse controls to go up here and choose the new pattern. They're all alphabetical. Now a bow tie, how about that? and it still will be in full screen mode. And as usual, you just start the game again and continue. So you just repeat this until you're finished. And if you want to get out of here, what you do is go to the top. There's an X pops out. Sometimes it disappears. Click on it, and you get out of full screen mode. And then you can shut off the computer by doing the usual thing. Down in the corner, you click on the Windows thing, and then you click on the power thing, and then you click on shutdown. That's all there is. Good luck.